What's up everyone, I'm Morgan and welcome back to my channel, Actualized AF, and today we're doing a little wash day routine using Tabitha Brown's new hair products line called Donna's Recipe. I'm really excited to use this line because I never try new hair care products, but I love the way that Tabitha Brown's hair looks. So let's get actualized as Okay, so the three products that I picked up from the line are the extra creamy shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and the hair cream. So as you can see, my hair is a mess now, okay? It is super dry and she just needs a little TLC. She needs to be taken care of. So I'm going to take it down and add some oil to it. And I actually started using the Indian oiling method, the Ayurvedic oiling method to grow my hair. So I'm going on a little bit of a hair growth journey. So if you want to see a video of me doing that, then let me know. But right now I'm just oiling my scalp to start. Now I'm just using a scalp massager, and you can find this at stores like Frost, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, but I linked one below from Amazon, and this is good to get the blood circulating, and when you have blood circulation, your hair grows faster. So make sure you follow my new hair growth journey to see how this works out for me. All right, every black girl knows it's time for the plastic bag. So now that I'm done oiling, I'll put a plastic bag on my head, go do some things around the house, and then I'm gonna start washing. And welcome to my shower. So now that I am in the shower, it is time to detangle and wash. And I'm going to shampoo section by section. Okay, for the moment we've been waiting for, using Tabitha Brown's hydrating shampoo. And let me tell you something, if you have watched my previous wash day routine video, you will know that I've used the same products, literally the same types of products since 2009 when I went natural. And I don't normally use shampoos. I actually use bentonite clay, aloe vera, just natural products. So using shampoo is different for me. But with this shampoo, I literally could put in the shampoo and comb through my hair without it feeling like shampoo. I actually double checked the bottle to make sure that it wasn't a conditioner. You could also see that it restores my curls, okay? It's not leaving my hair just completely straight. My hair is 4C, I'm a curly girl, I'm a natural girl, but the curls are curling, okay? And I messed up actually by using this much. You know how they say, use a dime size amount, and no natural girl ever follows those directions? I usually use palm size amounts or two to hydrate and wash and condition my hair. So now that it's time to detangle, I'm just making sure that I start detangling at the root of my hair with a wide tooth comb, and then I use my Tangle Teaser, which I have used again since 2009. And I start from the ends of my hair and work my way all the way to the root to detangle. And as you can see, it's a super easy process. Okay, when it's all clean and detangled, I just rinse it out and then twist it, put it in a little Bantu knot, and then work my way through all the sections. Okay, we're back and ready to style, and I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner and the cream as well as my Indian oil mixture. Again, if you want to know more about this, comment below and I'll make a video. But I just wrapped my hair in a little t-shirt, and now I'm going to take it off and begin styling. So to style my hair, I use the leave-in conditioner and the hydrating cream. And hands down, both of these products are hydrating. That's the word that I'm going to keep using throughout this video. Hydrating. They keep my hair moisturized throughout the entire process. I did not feel like my hair was being dried out. Absolutely not. These products are extremely hydrating, and no other product has worked like this before. It retained my curls, it brought my curls back to life, and it wasn't too heavy. Even when I mixed it with the oils, it wasn't too heavy. Now, this product line recommends that you do the lock method, the LOC method. So you start with the leave-in, then you put in the oil, and then you finish with the cream. And that's what I did. And that's how I've been styling my hair ever since 2009. I've always done the lock method. So this was nothing new for my hair, but I really appreciated the cream at the end because it was was nice and thick, okay? It got in there and it held the oils in and it held the moisture in. That's exactly what my hair needed. I mean, look at the texture as my hair was starting off. And as I was detangling my hair, it was super easy for the Tangle Teaser to run through, number one. And number two, it was easy for me to braid my hair. This process was really easy and honestly, enjoyable. Like, I enjoyed this wash day. One, because it smelled damn good. And number two, because it was easy for me to detangle. And I didn't show the end result here, but here are clips of me with my hair out. Period. At the Meg Thee Stallion concert. Okay, she slayed and my hair slayed. And the results were incredible. My hair was bouncing and behaving. And best of all, my hair felt moisturized. But the best part of it, my hair didn't change too much because of the humidity. So it was a hot summer evening in Atlanta. And it was very humid. And usually I'm expecting my hair to completely change shape when I'm out and about. It did a little bit, but not as much as other products that I use. In conclusion, honey, this product line is amazing. I bought this with my own money, and I will buy this again and again. 20 out of 10. Amazing. So overall, 10 out of 10 recommend Tabitha Brown's product line. I heard good things about the line. I wanted to try it out, and it lived up to the hype. This is good. I